Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe or Coupe, depends where we're living. This casting is by Hotwheels and is new for 2025. It does look good, so let's open it up and see. So here is the XJC Coupe. First thing first, it does look like a modified vehicle. Doesn't look like a standard vehicle. There are a few cues. Like here you see side mounted exhaust, and it is actually a wider body vehicle if you see here. But let's start from the front. So up front, you can see the headlamps, you can see the grille, but apart from the grille there's like no major details. Headlamps are not detailed. Neither I don't think it has turn indicators, or it might have it, but then again they're not detailed here. I think they're supposed to be detailed. They are not. You can see it's a wider body. You can see the flared wheel arches. Nice paint job, looks more like a racing car. Both the mirrors, that's good. You also got windshield wipers, blue tinted windshield, and if you look closely, you can see there's like this tint on top of here, where like you see on a lot of racing cars, so that the sun, direct sunlight doesn't get in the eyes of the driver. Since it's a Jaguar, it's a right-hand drive, so let's go to the driver's side. Again, as I said, looks like a racing car. More cues. You've got the paint scheme going on. Number 76, Jaguar model. Wheels. I think this came out last year on the, or maybe even this year. I'm not sure. On the Alfa Romeo GTV 6, 3.06. Yeah. So these are newer wheels, and they kind of look nice here. Especially, they look like a deep dish wheel, so they look wider. Also, you see this quad side mounted exhaust, looks really good, and there's some kind of vent here that's taking air in. Also, you can see the window, which is a nice detail, is half open. Second, a good detail. It's still a long car. It's still a long V12 Jaguar, but again, more hint of modification. As you can see, there's a bit spoiler going on there, air element, I guess, and you still have the chrome bumper. It's cool. Let's go to the back. A bit disappointed since there are no detailed tail lamp or anything, but yeah, it's good. You still got this big spoiler, but I think tail lamps there would have made it look even better. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't see any differences. The interior is done in chrome. I highly doubt the actual car had chrome interiors. Looking from the top, I don't know, they look like maybe they were intercoolers, or no, sorry, cooling fans maybe. I'm not sure. And it does look like it has like two fuel, what's it called? Yeah, two places to fill the fuel, or it had fuel caps. I don't know if these two were fuel or something else, but they look like that. And again, the top has this nice paint scheme, reading Jaguar. This is how it looks from the bottom. Nothing fancy here, but it does look like a nice casting. I really like the whole stance and everything. I wish they did detailed headlamps and tail lamps, would have made it look even better, but apart from that, looks really nice, and I think it's a good new casting by Hot Wheels. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.